Mizoram Subordinate Service Selection Board MSSB exam old questions solved na request mo wangin November sani samni pakatan exam na hi solve ko mga upcoming exam tan po mo rin naman paper 1 ngati masanga chuan paper 2 an kal le don ya. The largest state India in terms of area is Rajasthan. Chuan pahian zona thei chu smallest state kami zot thea smallest chu Goa. Chuan largest union territory kami zot be thei boka largest UT chu Andaman and Nicobar Island. Chuan smallest UT mi zot thei boka chu Lakshadweep. Chuan largest district kami zot be thei boka largest district chu KSCHH Gujarat ami. Chuan smallest district chu Mahe chu Pondicherry mi. Largest state chu Rajasthan ania smallest state Goa largest UT Andaman and Nicobar Island smallest UT Lakshadweep largest district chu Kutch chu Gujarat ami smallest district Mahe Pondicherry mi. Who is the current Union Minister of Ministry of Arts Science in India? Dr. Jitendra Singh. Mahatma Gandhi launched the Khadi Satyagraha in Gujarat in 1918 to support the cause of peasant. He Satyagraha third Satyagraha ti chetu third nania Makhan Champaran Satyagraha le Champaran le Ahmedabad mill strike ti khalau kalpito. Chuan hei chu kan shesa karinga Santhal rebellion chu 1855 minia chuan Mopla rebellion hi 1921 Treaty of Yendabu chu 1826 chuan kan answer chu C. The word secular was added in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution of India in the year 1976. Hi preamble hi 42nd Amendment hian the word socialist le secular and integrity hi preamble akhan 42nd Amendment 1976 akhan an add thani so draft 2 chu Jawaharlal Nehru JL Nehru nia in 1946. Which of the following is India in-lake saline lake? So Sambar Lake. So Sambar Lake hi Jaipur mi Jaipur Rajasthan kita. Rajasthan mi. The 3 dimensions of global multidimensional poverty index are health, education, living standard. Tahian global multidimensional poverty index MPI kan ti mekanya. Education le health le living standard khan manga 3 dimension le chuan 3 dimension oma 3 dimension hi ron jeka chuan 10 indicator ombok indicator chuan hi nge ron release tu chu UNDP United Nations Development Program le OPH science Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative te ron release chini. The Directorate of Forensic Science Service DFSS in India is a nodal organization of Ministry of Home Affairs, who has been crowned Miss Universe for the year 2020. Anjay Meza. Chonglai Zone is the popular folk dance of which community of Mizoram lie. Nepal shares a border with which of the Indian state? Nepal kha map kan lawan chuan helai etian chunga khanam tatro Asir Lampang helai Uttar Pradesh ania helai berhan Nepal omta sorry Nepal oma heta Kashmir berhan itro Kashmir berhan om chawa chuan heta hian Uttarakhand anianga masabera chuan dota hian next helai velah hian UP Uttar Pradesh chuan helai velan Bihar an lama Bihar chuan heta West Bengal ama chuan helai bok te deuh te khan North East lampang phaya khan Sikkim Bhutan khan i bulah khan chuan chu ti chu kan answer chu D. In what way can iodine be separated from a mixture of potassium chloride and iodine? Sublimation. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? Arabian Peninsula. Why was January 26 selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution? C. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. What is the full form of PAHOS? Working House Support Scheme. Who is regarded as the father of white revolution in India? Verghese Kurien. White revolution hi heta kan schedule chu white revolution chu operation flat an ti boka chuan blue revolution te kan chi danga blue revolution ni chuan related with fish sangha lampang tina chuan yellow revolution kan chin boka ringa yellow revolution chu oil seed production lampang soina black revolution kan chianga black ani chuan petroleum lampang petroleum production lampang chuan father of white revolution chu Verghese Kurien kan tia chuan next father of green revolution chu MS Swaminathan green revolution in India chu MS Swaminathan green revolution in world ani chuan in world green revolution in world ani chuan Norman E Borlaug UG chuan father of Panchayati Raj sei poimo ve mi thia India raman Panchayati Raj father of Panchayati Raj chu Balwant Rai Mehta. The Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919. February 1919. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected according to single transferable vote system. What is laissez-faire? Non-interference of government in economic affairs. Greenhouse gases are the main cause of global warming. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Which of the following Mizo one has a GI tag? All of this. Mizo tag Mizo tag GI tag hian panga kan neya. Chu puan chei nia puan chei. Mizo puan chei nia chuan ngau te kher chuan mar am chuan tollo puan kan nei boka tollo puan kan neya mar am kan sui te chuan pondum hi GI tag kan nei na boka chuan puan lawa khan Mizo chili a hian chili hi GI tag kan nei boka chuan so thing to kan tum mek ni The Central Young Lushai Association Committee resolved to change YLA to Young Mizo Association YMA on 7 October 1947. In which of the following list of the Indian Constitution is subject of population control and family planning included concurrent lists? Consider the following. Answer to C. A body in free fall in vacuum has constant acceleration. Which of these virus cause cancer due to chronic infection? HPV and HBV. Answer to D. Which article of the Indian Constitution has given special provision for the state of Mizoram? Article 371G. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which Indian constitution has developed an AI power drone to counter unregulated unmanned drone? To IIT Madras Khania, who was the Oscar for Best Director in 2021. Chloe Zhao. Which state is known as Sugar Bowl of India? Sugar Bowl to Uttar Pradesh. Sugar cane nga Sugar Bowl of the world. Where that's one Cuba. Sugar Bowl of India to Uttar Pradesh. The theme for Global International Women's Day 2021 was Choose Two Talents. As per the latest World Economic Outlook released by IMF in April 2021, what would be the India's growth rate in financial year 2022? 12.5%. What is the current Director General of World Health Organization (WHO)? Dr. Tedros. PM Cares Fund karanzota inge adik lawaranzota tra incorrect. Two left for na hi adik lautin. Chuan language minanzota Maldives, Afghanistan, Denmark chu kan thrisanga Danish manga. Chuan Maldives chuan dive hi Afghanistan chu dari chu ti chu kan answer chu B. What is the Human Development Index (HDI) rank of India in 2020? 131. The first COVID-19 positive case in Mizoram was confirmed on 24 March 2020. Which of the following item is kept outside GST? Alcohol. GST hian alcohol te petroleum te kha teng chi kha antel lo. Asan chu tax lak taman duwangin. What does disguised unemployment refers to? More person employed for a job which a few can accomplish. Which of these have been awarded Book of the Year by the Mizo Academy of Letters? Shingnun short hui sabun korfwa ke kazalen na. Tawa hian Book of the Year ani vectoni. So on Book of the Year hi masaber chu 1986 ania. Sorry 1989. Sa khaza kwa samgit pakwa kalung kham ti pu bilal thang liana. Thang liana ziania chu chu literature lamania. So on Book of the Year hi kan shadu chuan an thangun veya kumtin deuh thaw gap kha awm ve chu English kum. Chuan indu chuan in lo Google anga mutu kha awm beka 1989 atangin. Covaxin India first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine was developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research (NIV). Abolition of chief 1955 ania. Chuan formation of Mizo Union kha 1946 ani boka. Chuan changes district Lusai to Mizo kani kha 1954. So this is answer to Sina. Kharif crop was sown during the month of July to October. What is the state tree of Mizoram? State tree to Herse. Hian ingin yang ka tu state animal to Sazadra. Sazania. Chuan ingin yang state bird to Vavu. Chuan ingin dang flower. State flower to Senshi. Chuan state tree to Herse. 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015, has 17 goals. The first president of the INC, Indian National Congress, was W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The happiest country in the world, according to the UN World Happiness Report 2021, is Finland. So India rank 139 out of 149 countries. Who among the Indian states and union territories has the highest NSDP per capita in 2020? Goa. The hardest known substance is diamond. chuan paper 1 ah hian GK 50 question ama 50 question current affairs te ka te zo kha chuan paper 2 ah hian English ania sorry paper 2 te ka paper 1 ah hian GK le English ania chuan 51 tang hian English ro in chana English ah hian nge grammar ang chi kha teng chi kha 25 questions omanga chuan comprehension passage kan tiang kha 25 questions om boka chu ti chu comprehension hian mark putam hle ti na nia questions of the panga lai chok don ti na 51 kan chenang he said to me I shall stay here forever. He told me that he would stay there forever. Most appropriate words on Dunya. He has held them a lot by way of favors. Synonyms. Gallantry to bravery. A white elephant. To idiom and phrase on soka. A white elephant. Costly but useless possession. Chuan passage number 1 kan passage til halu tu kan ilo mase kan share uluk nga ya. Chuwang chuan kian explain dak thei pon ni lawa chuwang chuan answer kan senga indu en lo pause nga ti kan no share pota chuan answer in lo endon 55 to C. The author used the cinders for weapon. 57 to more dangerous than the authors. The author was hit by a broken bottle. At the sight of the author's bloody wound, his friend 59 to felt defeated and sick. Antonyms on sobetunga. Intricate to simple. One most appropriate option substitute the underlined segment. Underline how long he nge adik lo kan nga so adik lo chuan no improvement adik chuan improvement ongai lo tina chuan adik lo chuan hi adik kha kan thang. When this war is over, no country will either be isolated, either will be isolated, either in war or peace. One next grammatical error on Saturday, Rina visited his professor to whom he had an appointment. One next passage kan mulia 63 to B 64 65 to being translated. What is the function of the page? C. So one most appropriate word coming from Zotlia is I dash the bell ring. I was cooking. Antonym for Imran Pelia feasible to impractical. Wrongly spelled word. For example, that's what I mean. For example, I chuan kan ena kan shed lock hello chuan option na thoti mangla option na train kan dam chinanga chuan adik ver kan chata chuan all sam dan mase kha chun nangmani nge in chi thena han no tenga mase thil nge harda aron da chuan option na train hin chinna chuan answer chu B chuan passage dang min pelea 72 na chuan most appropriate word. I have not met him 2 years. For 2 years. Period of time. By fits and starts. Irregularly. Most appropriate word. Idiom and phrase. Kan siya tanga so passive the active voice on boka passive form ada turnya. The doctor was examining the patients. The patients were being examined by the doctor. The blue lotus is one of the grammatical error. And the blue lotus is one of the most beautiful. chuan next a passage awm le a 82 na B 83 na C 84 na chu B 85 na C 86 na. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Studying the current global politics, some predict the what she is imminent. Imminent tam je chu yang likely to happen so na. Likely to happen. So ti chu confusing pair ta pa kan en ta langai don. Chuan for example ka pahnih om to a he pahnih na next na nia. Answer chu idiom and phrase hi on sok le a. Idiom of chu believable so na. Chuan grammatical errors and that he applied to many colleges and universities in the States and finally gets some acceptance offered from them. Finally get C. Select the most appropriate word. The meeting was attended by all the members, lasted for an hour. Which passage? Tammelia. Passage tamria ba. Passage kan tiam chuan all sum don len 92 na B 93 hi. Science has proven a great boon for mankind. The most appropriate title for the passage will be most appropriate word. The most appropriate word is one verb preposition yang very aron so lang pwede. The grass is forbidden. Walking on the grass is forbidden. To fall through 97 hill. Phrase 2 to fail swimmer. We must adapt ourselves with the new environment. We must adapt ourselves to the new environment. Synonym Minnesota very to fatigue. The convicted criminal before he could be sentenced. Absconded. Chuan sheet hem kan nei chuan comment na in lo danga chuan next paper 2 kan solve ni. Paper 2 hi computer omanga chuan maths le reasoning ania.